Master the modern web with the industry-recognized CIW Site Development Associate credential. Build professional-grade websites and secure your future in tech. Transform raw code into seamless digital experiences through expert-led instruction. You will master HTML5, CSS3, and high-impact web interface design. Establish a rock-solid foundation in architecture, design responsive layouts that stand out, and deploy advanced interactive components for today's high-engagement web. Accelerate your potential as a junior web developer, where salaries average $78,000 with 16% projected industry growth. Stop struggling with fragmented concepts. Gain a validated, professional skill set that prepares you for high-impact roles in the web development industry. Learn through 10 detailed chapters, 186 practice quizzes, and over 100 critical learning objectives designed for your total mastery. Launch your career today for only $199. Gain full access to all essential study materials and expert exam preparation tools. Need more details or have questions? Our support team is ready to assist you at support@ucertify.com.